Kuliah kerja nyata belajar bersama masyarakat is a volunteering activity and also a direct learning program to support the implementation of SDGs in Indonesia. Before of all, let me introduce our group. We are from group 124 of Kuliah Kerja Nyata Belajar Bersama Masyarakat, Universitas Airlangga, batch 65. Here, we will explain about our best concrete action in supporting the implementation of SDGs. We carry out our KKN program at Manchan Village, Kecamatan Wilangan, Kabupaten Nganjuk. The village is located under Pandanman. Most of the people in this village work in agriculture sector. We took 4 goals as the main point as the focus of our KKN program. The first point we choose is the third point of SDGs, Terra good health and well-being. As a developing country, Indonesia has various health issues, even though health is a major need to support daily activities. We choose this point because there are many targets in this sector that need to be resolved. Most of we know that stunting is a big problem in Indonesia. Comcast in 2019 shows that 1 of 3 babies in Indonesia have a stunting problem. So, we create a collaborative program about stunting with Posyandu Dauhan, and there we educate mom about nutrition and stunting babies in Manchan Village. In addition, to prevent the spread of coronavirus, we also help the Wilangan Health Center to do vaccination program in Manchan Village. For us, in educational sector, we help dental health education program for kindergarten children, accompanied by 5M protocol education, which is important to increase awareness of dental health and prevention of viral disease as well as pandemic. The second point is point 4 of SDGs. This is good quality education. Education is important for human resource quality in a country, especially Indonesia. The goal of SDGs point 4 is to increase quality of education sector, as well as increasing lifelong learning opportunities for all society. In a country, it is very important to have a good quality education because yet are the nation asset who will continue the government and bring brighter future life for us. Most of you know that English is an international language which used for the main language in communicating and studying science. Therefore, it is important for youth and child to able to speak English. And yeah, let me introduce our first program is Happy School to present child about English so they can be more familiar with English. In other ways, creativity is also important for humans. Humans are unique because of their creativity. Therefore, we do coloring program in kindergarten to improve the motoric skill and also increase the creativity of children. For last, we raise about bullying and sexual harassment problem in our program at One Wilangan Junior High School. This activity is held interactively to also encourage friends in junior high school to speak in public after more than a year of studying at home. Of course, this is very disturbing for the implementation of inclusive and equitable educational activities. Third, SDGs point 8. Decent work and economic growth. The objective of SDGs number 8 is to promote inclusive and sustainable economic growth, as well as provide productive and comprehensive employment opportunities, but also decent work for the community. Having a job is one way for people to escape the trap of poverty. However, not everyone who works always getting out from the poverty line. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected quite a number of small business. So, we are moved to improve branding for several business in the mentioned village so that their business become better and known by people around them. Branding is not only through offline activities, but also social media is very important in this digital era. So, we also do online sub-socialization for some of this business in order to reach a wider range of customers. In addition, in digital era, we also carry out financial literacy socialization to introduce current digital financial problems. So, no more people in mentioned village that exposed to various kind of misleading digital business models or problem of online loans. Last but not least, SDGs point 13, climate action. The issue of environment and climate in Indonesia is often discussed. So, it must be resolved immediately with action to prevent the climate change and the impact. By doing reforestation, it will make the environment beautiful, reduce pollution, and become an additional attraction for Manggarejo Reservoir tourism in the future. In the kindergarten, we also invite children to create a vertical garden, which the goal is to bring a sense of environment love from an early age for children. In addition, the waste problem, which has always been a major environmental problem. It has not escaped our attention by recycling waste into craft at mentioned to elementary school, to doing reuse of plastic waste. Okay guys, that's all our action to support the realization of sustainable development goals in Indonesia. Thank you for watching.